In this simple tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to blur out faces in Adobe Lightroom CC. Now, there's a bit of a caveat first of all, is that if you're using a high-res image, you're going to have to reduce the resolution because it just doesn't really work. So to lower the resolution of the image, if you are, say, working on screen, we are going to export that and bring it back in. To export it, we go to custom settings. I'm going to reduce my size down to 1020 and the file type is a JPEG. Export that and then bring it back into Lightroom for this to work accordingly. Once we've got our lower res image brought back into Lightroom, we're going to use this masking tool down the right hand side. So click on masking and then click on this brush. We need to adjust the brush size now to the size of the face. I'm just going to bring my brush size down so it's around 12. And I'm going to up the feather of my brush as well. So I've got this bit of a blurry edge round my brush, maybe about 45. Once you've got it to the correct size, I'm just going to draw a little sort of red circle thing by clicking. And I'm just circling with the mouse. Now that I've got all 5 of the people selected, I'm going to go down to this detail slider here and sharpness, and we're going to reduce that down. And as you can see there, all the faces have now blurred out. Unfortunately, it doesn't really work on high-res images. If you were to do the same thing, go into brush and start brushing these in for a high-res image, if you go down to sharpness and start to bring that down, it doesn't really blur them out. If you are using high-res images and you want to blur them out, I would suggest using Photoshop. I have another video on my channel and I suggest you head over to that video now and check that out.